Here's how to use PayPal on Amazon. PayPal is substantially the best app with a diverse range of features. It allows users to shop from a variety of e-commerce stores without providing their personal information to maintain privacy, such as credit and debit card. However, a plethora of retailers don't support PayPal payments, including Amazon, which is quite surprising. There are different hacks to use your PayPal accounts while checking out from Amazon, so if you're also seeking for any hack like this, then you're certainly at the right platform to figure it out. Here are a few ways to use to pay for Amazon purchases via PayPal. Firstly, users must use either a PayPal Cash Card or Business Debit MasterCard. Now use the PayPal Credit Card. Purchase any Amazon gift card from multiple stores, including Best Buy, where PayPal is easily accepted, and utilize it for topping up your Amazon Pay balance. Use PayPal debit cards to pay on Amazon. Users must utilize their PayPal debit card for using PayPal on Amazon to spend your balance wherever the MasterCard is accepted. Must use the PayPal debit cards to pay, but only in offline stores as it's a physical card. Additionally, it doesn't charge any monthly maintenance fee, so there's nothing to invest in this card, but all you require is just a single PayPal balance account for transactions. Follow these steps to add PayPal debit card in your Amazon account. Firstly, browse Amazon.com and log in with your account details. Then select the Accounts and Lists options available at the top right corner. Now select the Payment and start buying on Amazon and use the PayPal debit card. Use PayPal credit cards. PayPal also provides a PayPal Cashback MasterCard credit card to suitable customers, which is powered by a MasterCard network, so there won't be any challenge in using this card on Amazon. How to use PayPal to buy Amazon gift cards. If in case you're not eligible for a PayPal debit card or credit card, and if you're also unable to wait for the delivery, then here's a great solution for you as well. You can use PayPal on Amazon just by following the easiest two steps. First, browse for Amazon gift cards and select your desired one. Now select the amount and tap the Add to Cart button. In this step, click on the card and select the PayPal checkout option and log in with your account details. Now follow the on-screen given instructions to add Amazon gift card balance.